What if Saturn's rings disappeared? If the rings of Saturn were to disappear, it would be very bad news for the planet's atmosphere. The rings are actually a source of atmospheric heat, which keeps the planet warm enough for the gases in its atmosphere to exist in liquid form. Without the rings, these liquids would freeze and fall to the surface of Saturn as solid ice, causing a runaway greenhouse effect and turning Saturn into a barren, frozen wasteland. But it gets worse. All of the planets in the solar system would be affected by the disappearance of Saturn's rings. Since the rings are such a huge source of heat, their disappearance would cause a chain reaction that would eventually lead to the destruction of the entire solar system. So what would happen if we were to somehow magically restore Saturn's rings? Well, the good news is that the planets would slowly begin to thaw out and the solar system would eventually return to normal. But the bad news is that this process would take billions of years. So basically, don't worry about the long-term effects of climate change. Just enjoy the present moment.